manufacture aircraft for the Indian market. These other opportunities that you're talking about globally. Gripen is a modern multi-role fighter aircraft featuring state-of-the-art technology and will be offered to the Indian government as one of the best solutions for India's single-engine fighter aircraft under the SP program. We have a long industrial relationship.
And this is not just a question of production. It's to create a sustainable capability in your country. That means everything from design, engineering, software, production methods, full control over the supply chain to be able to develop, if you like, the next aircraft here in India or other things. So we're not just talking about assembly, we are talking about the full capability. And I think that's extremely important. We are in the phase of looking into where we're going to set our home. There are a couple of
The two teams are actively working on setting up manufacturing of composites parts for aerospace in India and R&D center on technologies for Gripen and for other Indian programs.
Because this is the roadmap for future air power in India. We know that the Air Force has a critical need for future-proof air power in significant numbers. That air power has to arrive soon. It has to be owned and controlled by India. It has to be affordable and available. And with Saab and the Gripen, we have the answer to that. We have the only answer to India's future air power needs.
Communication for the fighting forces.